Hi everyone, Terry Kiggins here, your energy therapist. And today I thought I'd bring you a tip on keeping your energy fields clear. As we go through life, just anywhere, work, home, school, the store, the shopping malls, just walking around out in nature, we tend to pick up little bitty pieces of everyone else's energy because they've been out in the world too. And through no one's fault, it just is because everything's connected and energy is all connected and kind of meshed together. I thought I'd show you how to clear it because you can get a buildup of too much other energy and yours gets gunked up and slowed down and blocked and just congested and restricted. So it's a good idea to clear your own energy fields so that you can be more open to what you're really wanting to receive from what you're trying to manifest, what the universe and your guides are trying to get to you. You don't have those walls and those blocks all kind of congested and hazy and kind of fogged up. So we will go through unblocking, clearing, just kind of daily clearing of your aura. And that will also help to keep your chakras cleared. I suspect one of the reasons that the Asian communities take their shoes off before they walk into their homes and walk around barefoot or stocking foot is because of all that accumulation on the bottom of their feet. And they're not dragging not just the dirt and the muck through the house, but you bring in everyone else's energy that you've come in somewhat close contact to. And then you spread it throughout the house and, it just kind of multiplies and goes everywhere. So let me show you quick. I'm going to raise this up so you can get a good view. And it's fast, easy. Just do it when you think about it, but especially before you walk in the door of your house, clear your energy. And maybe even when you go into like the office or, wherever your place of business is, clear your energy before you go in so you're not dragging in all this other stuff, not just from other people, but from traffic too. And those who have, because the traffic and the noise, sound noise, all of that can cause issues and just kind of muck stuff up. So this is nice and easy. We'll just back up here and it's going to help to keep all your chakras fairly clear. It's not going to balance your chakras or remove anything, but it's going to keep it clearer and easier for you to manage. So you have the 7 chakras, which are within the energy body, going from the sacrum up through your head. But your aura is the field that surrounds you, and it goes out at least arm's length. So easy enough to do. Just brush it off, and make sure you brush from head down, so you're directing that energy down into Mother Earth. Because as she grabs that energy, she can transmute that into different forms of energy that then she puts back out into the world. So do the best you can with getting your back and just kind of brush it off. Always with a downward motion. Get the bottoms of your feet. Not very good at balancing there, but get it brushed off. Disperse it. And down. Inhale. And exhale. just brush it off a few times during the day like that. Because you're going to pick it up no matter where you go. Something's going to latch on you. You're going to walk through it, something like that. And let it go. You don't need to pick up any more than you already do. But remember, the soles of your feet touch more of that than the rest of your body. So really get sure to take your shoes off before you enter your home, if you can, or in the foyer, and get the shoes off. Dust the energy off your shoes too, because you'll be putting those babies back on and going right back out there. So dust it off your shoes, dust your auric field off. And you can do that numerous times during the day, and you'll be surprised how refreshing it is too, especially when you're mindful of doing that. You can feel the release, and it gives less for those energy vampires to latch onto and grab out of you too. The other thing, you could also use a tool if you feel you want to, but a selenite wand is what a lot of practitioners use. Selenite is beautiful, very effective crystal gemstone to clear energy. A lot of healers that I know use a selenite wand, some in the shape actually of a knife, to cut the energy away, to disperse it. It helps to have this too as you can get further down your back. But it's the intention too. So you know you're sweeping it off your back down into Mother Earth. Intention is the energy that makes it all work. Selenite wand or not, clear that energy field before you go out the door, before you walk in the door at the end of the day, so that you can keep your energy fields clearer. You'll have less junk you've picked up, whether it's just negative energy, anything that's prone to colds or illnesses, or just belief systems, because that's all energy that you pick up along the way. Give yourself a good clearing, and believe me, do it again before you go to bed, and you will sleep like a baby. That's what I got for you today, guys. If you found this helpful, please like, share, and subscribe. Comments down below, please let me know how this works for you. I really would like to know how it's functioning for you and which ones you've used. So do that. It's going to help keep your chakras a little more in balance too, because they won't be absorbing as much either. So have an amazing week. I hope this helps. Take good care of yourselves, and I will see you next time. Bye for now.